Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a healthy and simple pasta salad. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we will need for this recipe. First of all, we will start by taking 500 milliliters of water in a vessel, and to the water we will add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt and turn on the flame. Cover the vessel with a lid and let the water come to a boil. After 5 to 7 minutes we will check it. The water has now started boiling. At this stage we will add in the pasta. Today I am using the elbow macaroni pasta. You can use whatever pasta you have. Now we have to boil the pasta with the lid on because it takes less time with the lid as it traps in all the steam. Also every minute or two we have to open the lid and stir the pasta well so it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. The pasta will get done in about 6 to 8 minutes. In this recipe, we do not want it to be a little undercooked as we are not going to cook it later in any kind of sauce. It is a salad, guys. My pasta is now done. We do not want it to be overcooked, so I will take it off the flame. Now strain out all the pasta water and after that rinse it well with cold water to lower its temperature as it will stop any further cooking. Now over the stove we will place a pan and to it we will add about 1 teaspoon of ghee and let the ghee melt. The ghee is now melted, so to it we will add about half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and let it roast for about 4 to 5 seconds. After that we will add in 2 pinches of garam or ajwain by crushing it between our palms like this, and now we need to roast them both for about 10 to 15 seconds. Stir them a little bit like this. After that let's take a look at the veggies that we are going to add in. Here I have taken 1 finely sliced onion, red and green capsicum, 1 finely chopped tomato and few fresh basil leaves. First we will add in the onions. I have sliced my onions finely, but you can either chop them or cut them the way you like. This is how I like them to be in my salad. Now we need to roast the onions on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes until they just start to turn a little bit pink. Make sure you don't go over than that. We can see the onions are done now, so to it we will add in the capsicum, both the red and the green. After adding the capsicum, give it a good stir and let them also cook along with the onions. We need to cook them both for about another 2 to 3 minutes. We want them to be cooked, but they should also have a little bit of bite or crunch. After that, we will add in salt as per taste. At this stage, salt will not only give taste to the dish but will also help in cooking the vegetables as we have used a very less amount of fat. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, the vegetables are done, so we will add in the remaining veggies. Here we will add in the basil leaves by simply tearing them with our hands like this, the way I have shown in video. Now we will add in tomatoes. We added them at last as they get cooked pretty soon and tends to get mushy, so please do add it at last. Now give it a good mix and cook them for another 2 minutes. All the vegetables are cooked now, so we will add in about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can increase or decrease the amount as per your taste. Give it a good mix. Now we will add in about half tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Please do add it as it gives very nice sweet and tangy notes to the dish. Now we will give it a good mix so that all the vegetables get perfectly coated with the tomato ketchup. Guys, please mix it with soft hands. We don't want to mash it. Please don't be harsh on it. Now everything is mixed well, so we will add in the boiled pasta that we kept aside and toss it well with the vegetables. Our salad is now almost ready. Now we will add in our final ingredient, which is just a splash of soya sauce. Yes, we do want to add it at this stage only because if we add it earlier, it might just ruin all the beautiful colors of the vegetables that we added to it. Now mix the soya sauce well with the pasta salad so it gets coated evenly. Guys, that's it. Our pasta salad is now ready to be served. Do serve it hot and don't forget to garnish it with the basil leaf before serving. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell to get notified about my upcoming recipes.